Hi, this is Dianne Anderson, Global Real Estate Agent with Premier Sotheby's International Realty. Welcome to Bonita Lakes, a natural gas community by Toll Brothers in Bonita Springs, Florida. This stunning residence, built in 2017, features a light and airy interior with a spacious great room floor plan, designed for both grand entertaining and intimate everyday moments. This home has over 2,800 square feet and comes with 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and a 3-car garage. The heart of this home is a large modern kitchen, a chef's delight, offering ample counter space and all the conveniences for culinary creativity. The primary suite offers a spa-like retreat with a spacious shower, large soaking tub, and dual vanities, promising relaxation and luxury. Step outside to the screen lanai where the refreshing pool and spa await, overlooking the serenity of the lake. It's the perfect oasis for soaking up the sun or enjoying peaceful evenings under the stars. Residents of the gated Bonita Lakes community enjoy exclusive amenities, including a resort-style pool, tennis courts, a clubhouse, and much more. Located between Naples and Fort Myers, you're moments away from pristine Gulf beaches, shopping, and entertainment. Call me today to see what this home has to offer to you. My name is Dianne Anderson, Premier Sotheby's International Realty, and I am looking forward to hearing from you.